But I did find a place that you would absolutely love.
What do you mean? A place for what?
For plants. It's called Cutera.
Sucutera?
Yeah.
Where is it downtown?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, because I still want to get a big cactus. Can this work? I don't know if it's good. No.
Like a really tall one kind of?
Yeah. I'm trying to get like a tall, I'm trying to get at least a cactus that's 5 feet. And I know I'll spend some dough on it. So now it's just kind of like, I still want it, but it's not on like my top priority at all. It's a plant at the end of the day. Like I'll survive without it. So
I remember though last year you had said that was it Tucky's plant that she had given you that also had bugs too?
No, Thixia's yeah, something happened with Thixia's plant. I don't really remember, but I think it was there was some sort of bug on it, and then I was trying to revert it, but it just didn't revert back.
Okay. Did it survive?
I just flung it outside. Did you get your G?
Not yet.
When are you gonna get it done, girl?
This month. Well, sorry, end of July. I have to.
Yeah, because you don't want to be doing this shit because literally you'll do it all over again. Because that's what I did. I'm not even gonna lie. I waited until like the last month before it expired, and thankfully I got it. Don't be like me. Be better than me.
It's like
legit. The first time I failed is because she said I was doing a 95 in a 100 zone.
What?
No lie. She's like, you're supposed to merge onto the highway on 100. You're at 95. I was like, oh, okay. So she failed me because of that. Girl, where's my plant? That's the real tea. Where's my plant? She thinks I'm joking. I ain't joking. I want my plant. How's the this that you have, big girl?
Hmm?
Oh, it does look big, girl. Don't go crazy in here, you.
What do you mean?
Because I know. You're gonna be like, this plant, that plant. You're gonna be like, Tars. Look, Tars, isn't it nice, Tars? That's what you're gonna do. You think I don't know? I know exactly what you're gonna do. Let's see what's going on in here, you guys. I like this. This is all outdoor shit. I'm looking for indoor stuff. And we're going outside, but outside would be outdoor too. So, no star. Let me ask these people where their indoor plants is. Let me see if I can ask somebody. Excuse me, where can I find your indoor plants?
Straight through.
Straight through
the store.
Thank you so much. Isn't this cute? I like this. We got some succulents instead. This one too. See, like, this isn't even like a big cactus. Well, it's a big one, but it's not a tall one. This is already $100, right? That's how I'm like, I already know.
Oh.
What's that?
We saw this
At IKEA.
IKEA, but that is a cactus.
Yeah. Doesn't matter where we are. Still hearing that.
I was expecting something a little bit different. Well, I knew that it was going to cost
pricey.
a pretty penny because
Right.
it's like fun size, right?
Right.
Yeah, I just wanted to kind of see what they had, but I was expecting something a little different.
In what way? Like the display?
Yeah, or like just like the variety of trees as well. So these are more the tropical
Right.
bonsai, and I think I was looking to see if they had more of like the winter variety as well.
Right.
But
Did you ask them for the winter variety?
No.
No?
Because
what?
I spoke to the lady about what they had in regards to bonsai plants. She said, you'll see the display. And it's
Ask this
that.
guy. Maybe he knows something. Waiting for Davina to figure out what she wants to do. Either way, we're gonna be going to IKEA. Let me show you guys an outfit of the day. My hat is from Lululemon. I got it last year. My shirt is from Joe Fresh. I'm wearing biker shirts and I'm wearing these sliders that I got from Ardeen. Outfit of the day. You know how I do. Did you see anything there? You see anything? Do you like those hanging plants? Oh, they look like dicks. Of course you like them. They're hanging dicks.
You're hilarious.
Look at these hanging cocks.
Fuzzy tails.
They're hanging cocks. Of course you like that. Hanging dicks. Hang it. Hang it and you can put it, try to catch it in your mouth. Like, Act like she don't know. Whatever.
No, the prices that like for the same plants, the prices at IKEA
Far less.
are far less.
Far,
which I
far
find
less.
very-
It's not, mind you, IKEA, we're in a place that I will actually mine the plants, right? They have people who are properly watering the plant. I'm pretty sure the plants gets all their nutrients and their pesticides that they need in here. IKEA doesn't have that. IKEA just dash the plants in a corner. IKEA is
Ask the lady about
the mealybugs? No, I'm gonna ask right now.
So, one more.
Yes.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, mealybug.
Yeah.
Andal. Just go down.
It's called
the aisle.
Andal?
Andal.
And all?
Go
Okay.
down the aisle on the left.
Yeah.
Paul or Susan are there.
Paul or
They'll show
Susan.
you.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
I'm looking for something to cure mealybugs. You guys, being a plant lover, I just want to say, being a plant owner is a very serious job. I don't think a lot of people take it seriously. I treat my plants like as if they were my children. I talk to them, I water them, and when they get mealybugs from IKEA, you gotta take care of them. So I've been using at-home remedies, and the at-home remedy that I've been using is 70% alcohol, and I've just been dabbing it, and it's been killing the mealybugs. But still, I still want some. Also, I want to get something for the plant itself, so it will actually revive the plant with the mealybugs. You know what I'm saying? With curing the mealybugs. So I'm gonna see what this guy has to offer. I don't know where the hell Davina is. She's probably sucking on those cocks. I have one of my plants is infested with mealybugs.
Okay.
What can I use to, besides
Well-
the at-home remedies that I'm using?
Yeah,
What
you
can
know
I
what?
use?
Well, this is what you really need.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the best spray for bugs.
All bugs across
Any
the board?
bugs, any plant, yeah.
Okay.
Sorry for
And
me.
no, it's okay. And how often do you spray this? Daily, weekly? So let me just ask.
Normally you'll do it every 10 to 14 days.
Every 10 to 14 days. Okay,
Yeah,
every 2 weeks.
especially mealybug, you know,
Yeah.
you'll probably not get them all in the first
No,
shot.
absolutely not.
Yeah.
You know.
Basically, are these outdoor plants?
They're indoor plants.
They're indoor plants. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. No problem.
No problem?
Yeah.
Okay. And how long do you think it will take before they're permanently gone?
After 2 or 3 times,
Really?
they should be gone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. You just sold me. Thank you.
Alright.
And what about the outdoor?
All right, guys. So this is what the plant is called. It's $14.99. Let me find Davina.
You can go.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you guys were.
Well, I'm waiting for them to bring stuff in the warehouse.
Okay, I'm just gonna cash this
I
out.
have at home, so.
Okay. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm paying by. I'm good. How are you? I'm paying by Interact, please.
Okay, and do you have a phone?
May I have a bag too, please?
Yeah, of course.
Thank
I'll
you.
get you the receipt. I'll toss the
Yeah.
receipt.
Thank you so much. IKEA now?